Right, we're looking at gold. So we had the initial stab down, nice sell off yesterday, and then it sprang back up, and now we've had another drop to retest that previous structure, previous low. If I just put that on there, you can see exactly where the support is. So you can see previous structures, all of this really, that entire section there. So we're just basically the low tapped 1980. We've gotten in at 1990. It's perhaps not the best entry, but I was waiting for confirmation. We've got about 3 minutes to the close of this hour candle. I'd like to see a nice close on the hour, a bullish close, first bullish candle. So kind of just had to wait patiently for this hour just to play out, let the markets open, let everything settle. Let's see then if we're going to find some direction. And for me, I would like to always just keep buying gold until such time that it changes direction. At the moment it's just bullish, and it's a case of just buying the dips. So that we're just going to keep it simple. First target is to take it back up to 1995 area. That's 61.8. It's actually around 1994-ish. So anywhere around there, 1994 would be adequate. About 40 pips, 50 pips at the T1. That would be nice if we can get up there. And then obviously if it can do a better move in the next hour or so, start making a decent rally, it's holding at the trend line, then we're looking for 76.4 at 2025. So that would be a decent risk to reward. So we're looking at a solid bit of profit there if it can do it. So I just think it's worth having a position on. Certainly on the daily though, we're going to just keep an eye on the daily. We've had two moves up. We've got some selling pressure, showing as being slightly overextended. Put the 4-hour trend line on there to say, okay, look, this has got scope to actually just curl over and collapse. If it does that, so be it. But we'll be quick to adjust the stop loss, and won't just let this thing run to the downside. We want to see if we can hold and build on this and get another leg up. So yeah, there's the trend line. Price is starting to be squeezed to the upside and the downside. So it may just consolidate here for a little while until the US traders come in and see what they want to do. Hopefully they'll drive the price up, and hopefully we'll get a decent bit of profit from this trade before it completely collapses. It looks like it's starting to try and curl over and collapse to the downside. So it's bit of an aggressive entry, but it was just on the premise that we'd already gone down and we've retested the low. We could just stay bearish for the entire morning and then rally up at the US Open. It remains to be seen, keeping the risk small each time. But anyway, there's the commentary and the analysis, and just wanted to share it with you using the 1 hour candle. And the close, just looking for the close of that 1 hour candle to be bullish. Indicators still suggest that it's bearish, but so we are being quite aggressive, but we were looking for the price to sort of stab up to the upside using the hour. So getting in at the start using the 50 EMA on the 1 hour, etc. Bit of support, bit of structure, bullish bias, bullish price action. May adjust the stop and bring it up to like 84, 85 or so in a minute. So we'll just see how we get on. So we're going to risk maybe, we've got 2% risk on this anyway, but we can maybe halve our risk to say 1% if we move the stop up by say half, etc. So there's no drama there really. Just waiting to see if it can have a little stab to the upside, and we'll hold then and bring the stops to break even, etc.